So, very good morning, students. I welcome you all for the design thinking based discussion on V2X. So, in design thinking, you all know there are five stages, that is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So, in that first state is empathy. So, we have to think in their shoes, that is what the empathy says. So, why we need of V2X? So the main purpose of V2X is to communicate or to make the vehicle to communicate with everything. V2X means vehicle to grid, vehicle to building, vehicle to pedestrian, or vehicle to smart traffic systems. The main purpose of having this V2X technology is to make a better ADAS system and improved safety and also for convenience. So we all know the working of electric vehicle. The electric vehicle has a motor, it has an battery pack, it has an battery management system, and we know how the electric vehicle works. But to make an electric vehicle into a smarter one, we are adding some features like this. That is, to vehicle is thinking smarter means it has to communicate with each other. So when the vehicle goes, it will communicate with the nearer traffic so that it will get updates about the traffic. If the vehicle go in a building, then it will get what type of building is that, and it will update the location. And if the vehicle going in a highway, if it is an automatic charging track, it will get charging from the track itself. So there are so many advantages in the V2X technology. I want you people to eagerly participate in this discussion through the DT based approach. And finally, we will know about the V2X technology in a better way.
Hello everyone. Now I'm going to say about the types of V2X. First, vehicle to vehicle. In this, the vehicle in roads can communicate with each other using sensors. For example, if the vehicle moving in front suddenly puts a brake, the vehicle coming at the back would know and they would communicate with each other. The second one is vehicle to infrastructure. As Sar said, if vehicle is inside a building, it would know about the location of the building, where it is located, and also it can know what is the traffic signal situation and status right now, so it can move efficiently in traffic. The next one is vehicle to cellular network, in which it can communicate to cloud. For example, if we need to download maps or if we want to check the weather condition, we can use this one. And finally, we'll have vehicle to pedestrians, in which pedestrians will be wearing a wearable watch or a device like that, through which if the pedestrian is going to cross the vehicle, cross the road, and if a vehicle is coming, the vehicle would get the information that a person is crossing the road, and the vehicle will turn slow.
I would like to share my thoughts in key benefits of the V2X. It's improve safety and reduce congestion. The improved safety is useful for the overriding in hills and around corners and detect hazards in the roadways. And reduce congestion is important for humans in driving in hazard situations. It detect and tell to the human and analyze to the roadways and enhance safety and convenience to the right for the V2X.
Hello everyone. I would like my put my points on the real world application of V2X. And we all know that V2X is just not a concept. It's all about real world applications that is practically used in a modern days. And there are significantly two main real world applications that are vehicle emergency vehicle prevention. And this means if an ambulance is an electric vehicle, it will be established with V2X. So if there is a traffic signal showing red color means, but for that electric vehicle alone, the V2X suddenly detects the red light and changes the red light to green light for that vehicle alone, so that the stopping of ambulances and emergency vehicles will not be applied in that situation, so that it can be move freely without stopping in the red lights. And then I would say about traffic signal optimization. There are several electric vehicles, that means ADAS systems, that is struggling in traffic signals because of various of lights that are available in road. Because for stopping means they are using red lights and red panels, so they can't able to differentiate between them. So that we are if we are installing V2X means it will be detecting the red color, that particular red signal alone, not any distracting in other red lights. So it can be able to particularly detect the traffic signals. So it is very useful in VTech systems.
Hello everyone. I'm going to tell about advantages of vehicle to everything. So vehicle to everything shares the informations like speed, direction, and location to other vehicle, and also it saves fuel and time. And also it reduces the traffic signals. The vehicle to grid supports the electrical vehicle by sharing real-time updates to that vehicle. And also ambulance or fire trucks can also be send an alert to the vehicle so that they can clear the way, so the it has been used for emergency purpose also.
Hello everyone. I'm going to speak about the future enhancements in the V2X. So V2X can create a sixth sense to the vehicles, which means we have turning in a road where we can't see the blindly turn. Example hairpin bend. So we can use the V2X technology to detect how much the speed in the blind spot vehicle is coming, and we can also establish a amount of speed in our car, so we can avoid accidents and any interceptions. So V2X helps in future in many ways to reduce traffic, and as Arjun said, it can reduce waiting time of an ambulance. Also from this we can also improve the traffic management also. So V2X plays a future in many roles. We can also employ AI, so it can replace human in the future. Thank you.
So that was a very impressive discussion. So you put forth so many points related to VTX technology. So with the help of design thinking approach, we identified our what is the real problem, and we defined an problem statement and ideate an solution with the help of technology. And the prototype is already, we know, the VTX technology is being implemented in all the electric vehicles to make it a more sophisticated one. So whatever may be the issue, we have to approach in a DT manner, means we can able to find multiple ways, and in that multiple ways we have shortlisted the best way, and we can implement and we can sort out the problem. So I thank once again each or every one of you for your active participation. We will be discussing another interesting topic through this DT approach in the upcoming videos. Thank you all.